Hello, this is Gary Barnes of Creative Hands Home Services. 240-416-5068 is our office number. admin@creativehands4u.com is our email, and www.creativehands4u.com is our web address. And today we are back in the Hyattsville, Maryland area, continuing on a small bathroom. And what you see here is the shower surround area. And we have actually spread a substance called Structuralite where the bathtub is going to go. It acts as a lightweight thin set mortar that actually sets the base, keeps it stable, and once it dries, gives it a nice solid foundation for the bathtub. And you see we still have some framing that is still showing. It's not closed in, and that's because we needed the bathtub to be set before we can close in these walls. Of course, you see that the ceramic tile floor and threshold have been started, and then you see all the rest of the materials that we're using in the bathroom here. So, again, Gary Barnes, Creative Hands Home Services, 240-416-5068. Give us a call for all of your remodeling and construction needs. Bathrooms, kitchens, basements, additions, drawings, both commercial and residential. And we look forward to making you a new customer in the near future. Thank you.